Let's clear something up. Pretty isn't just genetics. Pretty is maintenance. Pretty is awareness. Pretty is discipline in small places. You've probably seen girls who don't necessarily have the most dramatic features, but something about them always looks put together. Soft, polished, intentional. And if you pay attention, it's rarely about heavy makeup or expensive clothes. It's about details. Pretty girls don't ignore the small things. And the small things are what separate average from elevated. So let's talk about 5 details pretty girls never overlook. The first detail is skin texture, not just makeup coverage. A lot of people focus on covering their skin instead of improving it. But pretty girls understand that skin is the canvas. If the canvas is smooth, hydrated, and even, everything else looks better. They exfoliate consistently but gently. They moisturize daily. They wear sunscreen even when it's cloudy. They drink water and manage stress because they understand inflammation shows up on the face. They don't rely on foundation to fix what consistency could improve. And here's the key. They don't wait until their skin looks bad to care for it. They maintain it when it looks good. That's the difference. Maintenance is what keeps them looking soft and fresh, even without makeup. The second detail is grooming discipline. Pretty girls never let grooming become chaotic. Brows are shaved or brushed. Nails are neat. Hair is intentional. Notice I didn't say dramatic. I said intentional. Their hair might be in a simple bun, but it's sleek. Their nails might be short, but they're clean and shaped. They don't wait until something looks visibly off to fix it. They maintain it before it reaches that point. Even their lips are moisturized. Even their teeth are cared for. It's the accumulation of neatness that creates polish. The third detail is posture and movement. This one changes everything. Pretty girls don't collapse into spaces. They stand upright. Their shoulders are relaxed but back. Their neck is elongated. They don't rush through rooms. They walk like they belong where they are. And when they sit, they don't fidget excessively. They don't constantly adjust themselves. They don't shrink. Movement communicates self-perception. If you move like you're unsure, people read that immediately. If you move like you're grounded, people feel it. Posture alone can elevate your entire appearance without changing a single feature. The fourth detail is scent and hygiene. Pretty girls smell good. Not overpowering, not suffocating, just clean, soft, intentional. They understand that glow is multi-sensory. Skin can look amazing, but if hygiene is inconsistent, the illusion breaks instantly. They exfoliate. They moisturize. They maintain fresh breath. They layer scent lightly. They carry themselves in a way that feels fresh. And freshness is associated with youth and attractiveness. The fifth detail is emotional control. This is the one people don't expect. Pretty girls do not react to everything. They don't argue loudly in public spaces. They don't overshare their problems to everyone. They don't broadcast every emotional shift. They understand that composure adds to attractiveness. When someone is calm, it softens their face. It sharpens their presence. Drama distorts appearance. Peace refines it. And this doesn't mean suppressing emotions. It means regulating them. When you're not constantly stressed or reactive, your expression changes. Your eyes look softer. Your jaw relaxes. Your posture improves. Emotional discipline is an underrated beauty tool. Now let's zoom out for a second. None of these details are dramatic. It's not surgery. It's not extreme dieting. It's not a full personality shift. It's skin maintenance, grooming discipline, posture, scent, emotional control. But when you combine them consistently, something shifts. You don't just look prettier, you look put together. And put together reads as attractive in almost every room. Pretty isn't about being perfect. It's about not ignoring the small details that quietly build polish. So if you feel like your glow up hasn't fully clicked yet, ask yourself, are you maintaining or are you only reacting? Because pretty girls don't wait until something falls apart to fix it. They maintain before it breaks. That's the real secret.